Mihi translations for Waikare Marae. Stand by beyond the universe of abundance of planets, the world of darkness, the world of enlightenment. Open the thresholds of Tiki Oraki, open the thresholds of enlightenment, unto the birds of the night of the spiritual world, unto the birds of the physical world. And upon us who have gathered here today, trinkle across to be fastened to Tina, be fastened, be gathered, to be united. Glory be to God, the beginning and the ending of all things, from the heavens to planet Earth, peace and tranquility. Let us honour Kingi Tuheitia and his royal household, peace and tranquility. We are saddened of our dear losses, those who have gone beyond to Paido, rest in heavenly peace. Come forth and be welcome. You have arrived upon the occasion of the day, so therefore welcome, welcome, welcome one and all. Welcome one and all before the meeting house that stands here. Greet our Kingi Tuheitia. Greet his people. Greet the people of this marae. So therefore, to those people who are new to this marae, to the people who have arrived, we welcome you all. Waiata ngā purapura pai o Waikare, the seedlings of Waikare. Here are the seedlings of Waikare that are greeting you all, that are calling you all who have all arrived. This is our song of sadness, this is our lament of sadness for our dearly departed loved ones. So therefore rest in peace, rest in peace, rest in peace forevermore. Join and unite. Return the spiritual to the spiritual. Join and unite the living to the living. So therefore, to all our waka, to our ancient language, to our prestigious guests, greetings, greetings, greetings to one and all.